Medical warning: consult your dentist first. Yellow teeth often signal internal metabolic imbalance. Your saliva pH is the hidden cause. This is internal staining from acidic saliva. Porous teeth absorb colors from the inside. Your enamel weakens when pH drops. When saliva turns acidic, stains bind deeper. Gut issues and liver stress make it worse. Whitening strips only create rebound yellow. Chemical whiteners damage enamel long-term. They increase sensitivity and porosity. Initiating the natural teeth whiten protocol now. We must stop the nightly acid attack. Your teeth are living sponges for stains. They need internal pH balance every day. Weapon 1: baking soda plus activated charcoal. Alkaline buffer plus toxin binder weekly. Gentle brush once a week for 60 seconds. Weapon 2: coconut oil pulling. Swish 10-20 minutes 2 times weekly. It binds toxins and balances oral microbiome. Weapon 3: saliva pH testing. Check morning saliva regularly. Alkaline mouth stops internal staining fast. Weapon 4: mineral-rich foods. Support remineralization with key nutrients. Strong enamel resists stains naturally. Weapon 5: avoid acid triggers. Cut the 21 worst foods and drinks. Protect your saliva pH daily. Weapon 6: gut and liver support. Heal internal sources of acidic saliva. Whole body health equals whiter teeth. Weapon 7: hydration and breath work. Stay hydrated with proper mineral water. Dry mouth worsens every stain. Weapon 8: gentle tongue scraping. Remove bacteria that fuel bad breath. Cleaner mouth supports brighter enamel. Weapon 9: 16 best pH foods. Leafy greens, berries, and nuts daily. They naturally buffer your saliva. The saliva pH axis. Balanced pH plus weekly rituals delete stains. Your teeth stay naturally white inside out. Weapon 10: full weekly protocol. Once a week soda scrub plus oil pulls. Daily pH-friendly habits completed. Warning: sudden pain or swelling needs a dentist. Never ignore serious oral changes. Address root causes safely. Daily acid exposure rebuilds yellow fast. Processed foods keep the cycle alive. Never let your mouth stay acidic. Expert tip: brush after oil pulling. Rinse with warm water only. Combine with tongue cleaning for max results. Watch stains fade and enamel strengthen now. Sensitivity drops as pH balances. You are building a biological smile fortress. Better oral health predicts whole body upgrades. It reduces inflammation system-wide. Sharpen your smile to upgrade daily life. Stand by, the complete protocol is locking in. Your full natural whitening routine drops now. Prepare for a visibly brighter smile. Enamel repair plus toxin bind. Weekly rituals plus pH balance rebuild teeth. Your smile literally brightens from within. Consistent habit turns yellow to bright fast. You convert metabolic stains into natural glow. Fact: visible improvement in 1-2 weeks. Stronger enamel, fresher breath, better confidence. This is nature's biological whitening policy. Healthy teeth support heart and gut health. System-wide upgrades start with your mouth. Build the ritual and your body thrives. Daily execution: test pH, eat alkaline foods. Weekly: soda scrub and oil pull. Never let acid hijack your enamel. Add hydration and avoid triggers daily. Never let stains rebuild over 48 hours. Consistency is the fire that keeps teeth white. Your biology is a masterpiece of pH balance. Neutralize acid, bind toxins, evolve your smile. The future of your teeth is in this forge. Let's go deeper into the science of saliva. Saliva pH below 6.5 creates the perfect stain trap. Test it every morning for real control. Baking soda is your gentle, abrasive hero. It raises pH without stripping enamel. Use it wisely once per week only. Activated charcoal acts like a molecular sponge. It pulls out deep toxins and stains. Mix with soda for maximum power. Oil pulling with coconut oil is ancient wisdom. It reduces harmful bacteria dramatically.